I just need some advice on how to grow from zero to a little bit more.
Your first 10 customers are your hardest. How old are you right now?
Nearly 13.
What I would recommend is, like, I'm rewriting the first 90 days of training for our franchisees at Augusta Lawn Care. When they come here, I'm going to give them 90 days of like step by step, right? Number one thing, it's not getting equipment. It's not getting legal set up. It is going and getting customers. So when you opened up by asking about pricing for equipment, don't even worry about equipment. I literally don't even want you to think about it. I want you to go get customers. And if you need equipment to do the work, book them out a few weeks from now, so that way you have the time to go get the equipment before the job starts, right? Like right now, you should only be focused on getting customers. Don't worry about the type of equipment you have. It doesn't matter. It's not going to help you get from 0 to 10. What's going to help you get from 0 to 10 is go knock on some doors, go do some door hangers, send out some flyers, have your parents or yourself post on Facebook and Nextdoor about your service. That's what's going to get you customers, and customers will bring in revenue that will pay for the equipment. So don't worry about all that stuff.